Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get TerraUSD using the Trust Wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open your Trust Wallet, then go to your wallet section. And here on the top of the screen, you can see you can either buy or receive TerraUSD on Trust Wallet. And then at the search bar, just type in TerraUSD, and then it's going to generate your QR code, and with this QR code you can receive TerraUSD in your Trust Wallet, or you can tap on copy and it's going to copy your TerraUSD address and receive cryptos this way. The second feature, the set amount feature, is a very good way. Here you can type in a set amount of coins, let's say 387, and it's going to generate a new QR code, and with this new QR code you can receive this exact amount of cryptos, which is a very good way for payments or transactions. And obviously with the share icon you can share your QR code on social media. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone, and see you in the next one. Bye.